Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock apps on Samsung Galaxy A05. If you're using A05 and now you want to lock your apps, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to open the Play Store and install a third-party app. Just go for search, and here you just have to search for app lock. Just search for this, and here you must have to install this one. Just tap on install and it will be installed in your phone. With the help of this app, you can easily lock your all apps. So just wait for its installation. After the installation, you just have to tap on open to open the app, and here just make a simple setup. First of all, you have to create a pin. Here is the 6-digit pin. You can change it to a pattern, code, or 4-digit pin. I'm going to select a 4-digit pin here, then select OK, and here just enter your pin, then select create, then enter pin again, and then select save from here, and here just select understood, then permit some permissions. Here you just have to look for app lock pro, enable that, then select permit again and select allow, then select permit again, and here select allow permission, just enable that, and here you just have to look for the app which you want to lock. As I'm going to select internet from here, or contacts and the camera. So here you will get all your logged apps. So just open the log app. First of all, you have to enter your pin, and then you can easily get your app. So that's how you can easily log your apps on Samsung Galaxy A05. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.